Improving Tilapia Growth with Vetiver Grass in an Aquaponic System. By J. Guillermo Galindo Rice. Tilapia aquaculture is growing vertiginously in the world, reaching 7.02 million tons in 2020. In Mexico, the same year it reached 72.6 thousand tons. These production values have increased environmental impact and production costs. In Mexico, there is a pre-Hispanic aquaponics system where people culture corn, bean fishes and other organisms. Taking this system as a basis, the aim of this work was to demonstrate the benefits of vetiver grass in tilapia aquaculture. Tilapia juveniles in 3 mini ponds were cultured for 10 weeks, using an aquaponic system with vetiver and 1 mini pond without vetiver. Water parameters like ammonia, nitrates, dissolved O2, pH etc., and also the increase of tilapia weight were recorded during the experiment. Results indicated that ammonia decreased, nitrate increased and tilapia weight increased more in mini ponds with vetiver than without vetiver. A1 Bertalanffy simplified model was used to calculate the time required for tilapia to reach the commercial size, around 500 g. The time obtained with and without vetiver was 48.6 and 54.4 weeks respectively. Moreover, in farm tilapia aquaculture, this will decrease production cost due to less amount of feed supplied for the tilapia growth. Also, a reduction of environmental impact to coastal ecosystems will be obtained. Since the amount of ammonia produced in mini ponds with vetiver was 4.56 times less than mini pond without vetiver at end of 10 weeks. Moreover, tilapia culture with vetiver generates an aggregated value because vetiver is used in perfumes production, which reached $45.2 billion in 2020. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.